In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix YouTube music not loading. So let's get straight into the video. So there are a lot of ways you can solve this problem. The first thing you want to do is check your internet connection. Make sure that you have a stable internet connection. You want to simply try switching between Wi-Fi and your mobile data. If that is not the case, you might need to go to downdetector.com to see if your YouTube music servers are having any issues. If not, you might need to simply go ahead and try closing the application completely, and after a few seconds, simply go ahead and reopen the app. If you're on an Android device, you want to go into Settings, Apps, YouTube Music, and Storage, and simply go ahead and clear the cache of that application. Your application might also have a pending update. Simply go ahead and update it via Play Store on Android or App Store on iPhone. If nothing works, you might need to simply go ahead and restart your phone or tablet, and also go ahead and check the date and time settings and make sure that it is set to automatic date and time. If you're using any kind of VPNs, make sure that is disabled and reinstall the application as well. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.